Welcome back to a welcome back to a show where today we will be making one of the most decadent recipes I have, crispy, rich coconut bars. Super simple, 40-minute recipe. Let's just get right into it. The first thing we want to do when making these bars is start preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next we can move on to the base, starting with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, we will add 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar and a half teaspoon of salt. Finishing it off, we add a cup of melted butter. Like I said, these are rich. Give it a good stir until it's well combined, and we're going to spread our base evenly onto a 9x13 that has been lined with parchment paper. As you can see, there is no easy way to do this. The mixture doesn't spread well and the parchment paper slides around the dish. If you can solve this, please comment below. This is going into our oven for 12 to 15 minutes. We're looking for a light brown and we're going to take it out and let it cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes till it cools completely. Once it's out, you can drop the temperature down to 325 degrees. While that cools, we can start preparing our filling. One of my favorite things about this recipe is you can reuse the bowl as the first mixture does not stick at all. For our filling, we're going to start with 3 large eggs, which means 3 chances to nail the one-handed crack, which came to, let's say, mixed results for myself. Add to this 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, making sure to scrape down the can to get as much as possible. Next is a few more dry ingredients, those being a half cup of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 cup dark brown sugar. Add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 of almond extract. Not everyone keeps almond extract around, so you can use 3 teaspoons of vanilla, but I really think the almond is crucial here. Guess what? More butter is next as we add in a 1/4 cup of melted butter. We finish this off with a half teaspoon of salt and then we mix until completely homogeneous. To this we will add our shredded coconut. I'm going with a 50-50 blend of sweetened and unsweetened because I think otherwise the bars can get too rich, but if you only want to buy one, go with a sweetened. Add in 3 cups to our mixture and stir to combine before pouring it over our base and spreading it even. Sprinkle over our remaining cup of coconut, and this is going into the oven for about 30 minutes until golden brown. Take it out and let it cool completely on a wire rack. I'll be the first to admit I got a little over eager and cut into them too early before they had a chance to set. But when they are ready, you are going to absolutely love this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for putting up with the long hiatus. I am attempting to return to weekly uploads, but expect closer to 1 vid every 2 weeks. But hopefully, I'll see you next week.